Okay, this is a little levitation machine here. Well, it's not really a machine, but okay. So basically, I have some pieces of pyrolytic graphite. They're not super easy to see because they're so thin. One on the bottom here, below the magnet, which is this little thing in the middle. One on the bottom, one on the top. I have a copper penny. Well, it's copper, I think. It's because it's from 1971. And that's for if the magnet starts moving side to side. The copper penny, since it's made of copper, it slows it down due to eddy currents. And the pieces of pyrolytic graphite are basically keeping it up because they repel a magnetic field because they're diamagnetic. Above here, I have just some little thing from a motor I took apart because I felt like it. Some screws and a piece of wood on the bottom, and they're basically adjustable height with this here. On the other side, can't really see that. The other side, right here. And these little magnets over here aren't really serving any purpose in levitation, but you see when I take them away. Hold on. Pay attention to the magnet over here levitating. So I'm going to take them away, and it kind of goes sideways. So I just found a way to make it stop doing that. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'll put the camera here. Seeing how close I can get to this. And yes, I know there's a whole bunch of noise coming from my bird over here. It was very strange. There's no idea what I'm doing. Okay, got a straw here so that I can do this. Wait. Oh, it almost went off the side there. Now it's spinning fast enough that you can't really see it on the camera. I don't know if that's gonna help. No. But yeah, it's spinning much too fast. So you can see it starting to, since this is 24 frames per second, makes it look funny. Actually, I might even consider getting my RPM meter. I'll be right back. Just watch that spin. It keeps going. Okay, on my RPM meter here, which is from China, and so I don't know how accurate it is. No offense to anybody watching this, you know. But yeah, so since this magnet is a cube, it has 4 sides, so you just divide it by 4. So I have a calculator over here, just because I'm not that good at math. Let's see. Hopefully my laser... I might have to raise it up a little. Actually, I hope this is fine. Let's see, am I getting a reading? For some reason I'm not getting anything. I'm going to replace my battery in this. They should really make 9-volt batteries easier to attach. I think this battery's good enough. Seems to be going too slow for my RPM meter. Okay, it's spinning. Oh, geez. Okay. RPM meter. I don't think that's very accurate because it's not changing. Hold on, I have to... Yeah, this thing isn't that accurate. Okay, that's not doing anything. No calculator. Don't need it. Let's see how fast I can get it spinning. But my penny, I got another penny that's old. I'm just hoping this penny is made of copper just to add to my stabilization. And copper is diamagnetic, slightly. I'm gonna go for the other side of this. Ooh. I think that's about as fast as I can get that to spin. Even though it doesn't look like it is. Whoa, geez. Not very good macro on this camera. Oh, that's pretty close to the bottom, but it's actually not. You see here. I think this is the best angle to look from. It looks like it's touching the bottom, but it's actually not. If I move this up. Okay, no, it's just like less than a millimeter away from touching though. I'm just moving my magnet assembly above here. You see here. And this is just a big piece of plasticine. And actually, oh, I almost forgot. Underneath of my pyrolytic graphite here, these two pieces, 1, 2. This is a like maybe 1.5 ounce lump of bismuth. That doesn't really do much, but I melted it in the oven in a little metal cup, and all this plasticine here is just because a flake started coming off here. This piece it's loose, so I'm just holding it down. It's kind of off topic. Let's see, can I? Actually, I don't even need that underneath. I just feel like it though, because I'm me, and I am amazing, relatively. Oh, it's still not touching. I swear this is so close you cannot see it on the camera, but it's like less than maybe 1/10 of a millimeter above this surface of the bottom piece here. If I move it up here. Oh, it's stuck. My piece is falling. Let's see what I can do now. I know the straw doesn't look like it's pointing at it, but it is. Ooh, that was close. You see how it stopped moving so fast there? It was starting to go off to the sides. See when I move my pennies here? That's the eddy current effect of My pennies. Now see what happens. See, without them, it's already starting to. See that? Has this like just the way it floats. Now it stops. That's the bad penny. This one's older. 71. This one's 84. I hope they're both copper. They seem to be. No, it doesn't look like it's moving, but it still is. I'll slow it down. Oops, got stuck on my plasticine. There. Okay, I might make another video of this later. Not today. But whatever.